Ever wondered how the money you earn through Vagaro actually makes its way into your bank account? If you're a salon owner, a fitness instructor, a spa manager, or any professional leveraging Vagaro's powerful platform, getting paid efficiently is crucial to your business. But beyond simply accepting payments, understanding the mechanics of Vagaro's payout system, its timelines, associated fees, and how to optimize it for your financial flow is key. Vagaro isn't just a booking and management software. It's a comprehensive ecosystem that includes its own merchant services. This means that when your clients pay for their appointments, classes, or products through Vagaro, those funds are processed directly within the Vagaro system. You're not relying on a third-party payment processor that's completely separate from your booking platform, which offers a streamlined experience and integrated reporting. So, let's break down the journey of your earnings from your client's card to your bank account. The core of Vagaro's payout system revolves around what they call batches and deposits. Think of a batch as a collection of all the credit card transactions you've processed within a specific time frame. Once a batch closes, the total revenue from those transactions, minus any applicable fees, is then prepared for deposit into your linked bank account. Vagaro offers two primary batch cutoff times, typically set to Pacific Standard Time, or PST, 3 p.m. Pacific Standard Time and 12 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. If your transactions are batched before your chosen cutoff time on a weekday, the funds are generally deposited into your bank account the next business day. For instance, if you're on the 3 p.m. Pacific Standard Time schedule and you process payments all day Monday up until 2:59 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, those funds will be batched and deposited on Tuesday. However, any transactions processed after your cutoff time will be included in the next day's batch, meaning they'll take an extra business day to hit your account. Weekends are a little different. Transactions made on Fridays after the cutoff, or any time on Saturdays and Sundays, are typically batched together and deposited on the following Monday. It's important to remember that bank holidays can also cause delays. If a deposit is scheduled to land on a holiday, it will usually be deposited on the next business day. Likewise, transactions processed on a holiday will generally be deposited after 2 business days. It's always a good idea to factor these possibilities into your financial planning, especially around major holidays. Now, let's talk about the money itself. What actually gets deposited? The amount you receive is your total revenue from the batch transactions minus any applicable fees. Vagaro's credit card processing fees are a crucial part of this equation. For businesses in the United States, these fees generally depend on whether the card is swiped, dipped, tapped, card present, or keyed in, card not present. Typically, keyed-in transactions, which often include online bookings, tend to have slightly higher processing fees. Vagaro also has different rates for small merchants and large merchants, with larger merchants often benefiting from slightly lower per-transaction percentages. Beyond the basic processing fees, there are a few other potential charges to be aware of. If you utilize Vagaro Pay Later, for instance, there's a separate fee for those transactions. There can also be fees for ACH returns or rejections if there are issues with your bank account information. Vagaro also does not permit businesses to pass on credit card processing fees to customers in the form of surcharges or convenience fees due to card network rules and legal restrictions in some areas. However, you can offer cash discounts. For those businesses that need quicker access to their earnings, Vagaro offers an instant payouts feature. This allows you to transfer available funds to your bank account instantly, even on weekends, bypassing the standard batch deposit schedule. There's a fee associated with instant payouts, usually a percentage of the deposit amount, and there are typically daily limits on how much you can instantly withdraw. To be eligible for instant payouts, businesses often need to meet certain criteria, such as having processed a minimum number of credit card transactions over several months, and their financial institution must support real-time payments or FedNow. This feature can be a game-changer for managing cash flow, especially in a fast-paced business. Setting up your bank account for deposits is a straightforward process within your Vagaro merchant account settings. You'll need to link your business bank account, which is typically done through secure methods like Plaid for instant verification, or by manually entering your bank details and undergoing a micro-deposit verification process. It's absolutely vital to ensure your banking information is accurate to avoid any delays or fees for return deposits. Beyond just the main business deposits, Vagaro also offers robust payroll features. If you use Vagaro Payroll, you can set up direct deposit for your employees, configure pay schedules, weekly, bi-weekly, monthly, and manage commissions. Employees can even set up split direct deposits, allowing their paychecks to be distributed across multiple bank accounts. This integration simplifies payroll management, ensuring your team gets paid accurately and on time. To monitor your earnings and see exactly what's coming in and going out, Vagaro provides detailed reporting. Your credit card deposits report is a goldmine of information, allowing you to view all fee deductions, net earnings, and details of each transaction batched into a deposit. You can filter these reports by date range, merchant account, and payment type, giving you a clear picture of your financial activity. This transparency is crucial for reconciliation and understanding your profitability. In essence, Vagaro acts as a comprehensive financial hub for your business. From processing client payments and managing transaction fees to facilitating direct deposits and offering instant payout options, the platform is designed to streamline your financial operations. Understanding these mechanisms empowers you to manage your cash flow effectively, make informed business decisions, and ultimately, ensure your hard-earned money lands where it belongs, in your bank account. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.